Assalamu alaikum viewer. Today our topic is discipline as sources of structure. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. Come back to topic and start video. Out of the discussion, study and planning of the way to improve instruction has come a mood of curriculum development that relies heavily on the basic disciplines. In current approach, so direct attention is given to a critical review of the discipline on which the school subject is based. The nature of knowledge and the structure of the discipline are viewed in new ways. Fundamental elements of the knowledge and mode of the inquiry are discussed in terms that are directly related to curriculum planning. Along 1964 way of the extending and structuring knowledge are being analyzed in order to drive implications for organizing instruction. The search for knowledge of greatest worth has also taken a new turn. No longer is it merely a quest for new information, rather, efforts are being made to specify structural component of the discipline that can be used to design areas of the curriculum. The specified structure is used to select content and to plan units of instruction. The intent is to develop curricula are the logically organized around those concepts, key ideas and methods of the inquiry, which scholars believe to be most fundamental and powerful. In their fields of specialization, in addition, attention is given to those disciplines which shed light on spatial and psychological foundation of the curriculum. Thus, the disciplines are viewed as primary sources of data for curriculum planning. Pre-Say's arguments have been advanced in support of building in the curriculum on the structural component derived from the disciplines. Burner 1960, Hadith 1964, Phoenix 1964, Rosie Ndum Bloom 1964. Economy of learning in enhanced by he focus on the fundamental ideas and the use of content to develop key ideas. Relationship among idea are the highlighted as essence of the structure emerges through the use of the concepts and generations in active inquiry. Fundamental ideas are brought to bear upon the solution of the problems, and current problems are used to extended understanding of key ideas. That's it for today. Come back in next video.